want to show you how to create a GIF that is compatible with Klaviyo. Klaviyo. I was having an issue for a while creating this GIF. I spent the last couple of hours working on it. So I found a hack and I thought it would be helpful. So I want to show you how to do it. So first things first, I tried Canva. That did not work. When you export it to a GIF, the file size is just extremely big. So it's just not going to work. But you know, if you're not using Klaviyo and they don't have like megabyte requirements or max requirements, then you'll be good to go. You can do it right in Canva and the resolution will be really good. So my fix for this was for me to create it right here in CapCut. So I did the 3/4 ratio because I wanted it to be, you know, a big size for my email. And then all you have to do is hit export, and then right here on the three buttons you want to hit download, and then you want to make sure that the resolution is 640 if you want a bigger GIF. Okay, now I did have to make the actual video really small. As you can see, it's only 2 seconds long. It's less than 2 seconds. So that helped with the export size for me. So here I can do it at 640p, and then right here you can see the megabytes will be 3.6. So that's good to go for me. And for some reason, once it's downloaded, it jumps from like 3 megabytes to like 6 megabytes, and that's still technically over the requirements for Klaviyo. However, what you see how it says 5.7, the max for Klaviyo is 5, so that's going to be an issue. However, you can jump right over to gifcompressor.com, and then you just go in and upload your GIF. Let's see, this is the newest one. So it takes a couple of seconds to compress it, and then after that I'm gonna download it, and as you can see it's 2.4 megabytes now. So you can jump right over to Klaviyo. Here is the file, and as you can see it's still a really nice size for the emails, especially because a lot of our customers open emails directly on their phone. So I wanted to make sure it's, you know, at least compatible with the iPhone or any phone screen at 1080p wide pixels. So yep, that's how you do it. If you have any questions or if you want to learn anything else in regards to e-commerce marketing, email marketing, I'm still working on that myself, feel free to drop a comment, and I'll see you all in the next video. Don't forget to hit like and share.